And we're here in this one game where you jump from truck to truck to truck and try to avoid the world's worst drivers. That's right, it's Cluster Truck. It's available on Steam, and I want to play. It seems like there's a World 1 desert. Whoa! Okay, so we're gonna use wise enemies. Mask move around. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't look around with this one. Woohoo! Easy. Style points, jumps. And it seems like someone's beating me. Well, you're crashing in the background. Next level. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, this is the fun. This is the funnest thing I've ever done. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Whoa! Okay, I'm getting to hear myself. The soundtrack is amazing. This is like the most amazing audio ever. And why am I wait, where's the car? Alright, this is the hard part. I have to like not crash. Okay, let's just ride it out. So like part of car. And this is the hard part. This one you're gonna wanna get thrown off sometimes. Swerve around, avoid those rocks, avoid those cars, and here we are. I wonder why these cars are in the desert to begin with. I don't know, I'm having too much fun to think about that. Let's go! What the heck, why are the cars just like dodging me? Here we go. And I feel like these cars just like they slow down so I don't hit them. Oh yeah. I'm a speeding blue shell, and I go for the gold and the goal. That's right. Can you tell me? I don't think I can go faster than I already am going. You know, like, unless you can, but I feel like that'd be going too fast. I feel like my running, oh, that guy's already gone before. Okay. Oh, wait. So when they do a deep swerve, you have to try to avoid that. The soundtrack is crazy. Oh wow. And you gotta keep on your feet or else the cars throw you off. These swerves can be the death of you. As long as you keep your distance and you try to, and you don't make any overly long jumps that you can't make. Level 16 already? This is a cakewalk or a cake run. Oh gosh. I tried to make a pun or a joke and the cars blew up. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Jump. Jump. Whoa! Yeah. Dang it, okay. I was trying to go too fast for that one. Never regret anything. Never dodge. Never die. And keep at the pace. Keep at the crowd. And keep on the road. Grab onto the back of the trucks. Ramp off the broken ones. But don't get caught in the cluster. So I feel like, where are we even driving to? Like, I need some lore research over here. Where are we going? Will we ever get to our destination? And is it possible to buy this? These first-person games make me a little bit scared. So I would suggest take it slow, but also trying to keep up the pace and do the best you can under these trying circumstances of getting hit by cars. Jump. I think you can wall run across these cars, so I'm gonna try that. And we're gonna go for the groups. So, remember this. Look at one part. There's many ninjas. These cars will stop at nothing. Get through. Uh-oh. I think the car I'm on is not gonna make it. Oh man, I think you have to choose cars. I don't like choosing cars because I'm really bad at deciding which one I should be on. See, I think I just gotta stay in the middle. I think as long as you stay in the middle. I got this. I was trying to like climb up. Here we go. Straight. I would love to wonder who am I playing as? Who has the skills to be like a spaceman and traverse these rock formations? Oh my gosh, I am making it, and I'm handling it on 1 health like a man. Oh my gosh. This is intense. So we can just keep the formation of the desert, ride the waves. Oh my gosh, why are they trying to sabotage? They're trying to kamikaze their own cars. Is that like Amazon Prime? Like Amazon Prime is taking over FedEx, so they wanna totally smash us? That's bad. Luckily we made it. Level 19, baby. Let's do this. Cars are all so close together. This is so easy. No, what's that? I gotta stop saying that. You got this. Stop jumping. Start jumping. Stay to the side. Explosions all around. Keep it. Come on, little car. Little cars, don't explode. You got this. Then we did it. I'm so glad that we did that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll be back for sure to play one more episode of this awesome game.